Gizmo, an Amazon parrot. Say, Polly, want a cracker?
Want a cracker?
We're going to toss Tiki Toko Toucan this grape and pretend it's a bird in the forest. Hey, good catch. Now what do I tell you when you're naughty? These birds are as smart as a 5-year-old child, and to prove that, we're going to put some treats, sunflower hearts, into this bucket. Let's see if he can figure out how to get to that reward. On your mark, get set, go! All right, put the hats down. Put the hat down, you crazy cracker. Put the hat down. Give him his hat back. Now, Uela gets water the old-fashioned way for me from pumping from the well. Would you hand me the bucket so I can water our pretty flowers? And tomorrow we're entering these flowers into a contest, and we could win $500, and we could really use that money. And if anything happens to those flowers, I don't know what I'd do. No! I want to show you my beautiful endangered species hat. There were no birds harmed in the making of this hat. Good job! It's time for America's Got Talent. Say, I can talk, can you fly?
I can talk, can you fly?
Now he's going to raise the American flag. These are my hyacinth macaws. This is Miss Zuri, because we're from Missouri, and her husband Chelsea. Would you tell everybody hello?
Hello.
Do you love me? Oh, that's so sad. Now, Mr. Bojangles is going to spell a word that will describe everybody that watches America's Got Talent. Oh, he spelled smart backwards. Why don't you tell him bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.